these 4 cities. Come closer. I actually need to create a wall with people so for them in. Yeah. So this is the way of connecting 4 cities using the minimum amount of material. So nature knows how to solve this kind of problems, right? Okay? And now, if we ask nature to create a bubble out of these structures, this is what nature is. So it's actually quite nice, right? Yeah. And you can see it's kind of the same shape and structure that is outside, but the angles are clearly different. Right? This angle inside is actually wider than this angle. Okay? So, what kind of structure do you think that we can create with this one? Oh, let's see. So first of all, let's ask nature. Nature, how do we connect these 8 cities in such a way that we use the minimum amount of material? What nature does is this. Nature. So come closer so that we cover the. This is what nature does. Nature will send the cities to connect in this interior square and then redistribute it. So now, this is the power of nature.
That's
Yeah?
Crazy.
Yeah? Well, I don't do it. Nature does it. Nature decides that this is the best shape using this structure, right?
So it just makes it smaller inside the actual structure?
Yeah, but I don't do it. These are mathematical and physical properties of the structure. See,